Hello dear students, good day. Today we are going to start our next topic. This is said as circles. So circles है क्या? कैसे करके हम circles को समझेंगे? तो पहले तो इसकी definition समझते हैं. What is a circle? A circle is collection of large number of points. ये देखो ये एक point हो गया, दूसरा point हो गया, तीसरा हो गया. ऐसे करके number of points are there. A circle is the collection of large number of points which are equidistant from a given point. Given point is known as the center of the circle. ये वाला टॉपिक हमने फर्स्ट टर्म में भी पढ़ा था. होप आपको याद होगा. तो सर्कल हमने समझ लिया. सर्कल इज द collection of large number of points which are equidistant from the given point. Given point is known as the center of the circle. And from this given point to any point we are joining, this is said as the radius of the circle. In this, some of the other things are also there. Like chord क्या होती है? Chord is if we join any two points on the circle, then this is said as the chord. The longest chord of the circle is said as the diameter. This diameter has to pass from the center. That's why I am saying it longest chord. Then there is a thing we called it as secant or secant. If we extend chord on one side or on the both side, the chord is produced like PQ is produced, PQ somewhere R. Then this is said as the secant. Then next thing comes tangent. This point I am saying as R. So a tangent is a line. A tangent is a line which is touching the circle at one point externally. Which is touching the circle at one point externally. A line which touches the circle at one point externally is known as the tangent to the circle. This is touching at one point. Always keep in mind tangent is perpendicular, radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, and this point is known as point of contact. This point is known as point of contact. Let us think why it is perpendicular. So center of the circle. Now we are going to make a tangent. This is the tangent. Now this point I am saying P. Another line I am making OP1. Another line I am making OP2. Try to see OP2 is greater than OP. OP1 is also greater than OP. That means OP is the shortest line. OP is the shortest line, and this shortest line is always perpendicular. Means the shortest distance of a point. The shortest distance of a point from a line. The shortest distance of a point from a line is always perpendicular. This shortest distance will be always perpendicular to the line. Likewise, one more thing we must think, in this particular triangle, if we have been given this is 5, this length is 4, that is radius is 4, and we want to calculate the length of the measurement of the tangent, then I am saying it x, and using Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the value of x. So Pythagoras theorem says that OP1 square is equals to OP square plus PP1 square. So this is said as Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So OP is 4 square, PP1 is x square equals to 5 square. So 25 minus 16 will be equals to x square. 9 equals to x square. X equals to plus minus 3. The distance cannot be negative, therefore this will be positive 3. So the value of x will be 3 units. So likewise, we could solve some of the questions given in this particular topic. So I think now we are able to understand this. Let us go for another thing. Now I am going to teach you a theorem that is one of the very important theorem from the topic. So try to remember. So what is this theorem? If a pair of tangents are drawn to a circle, if a pair of tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point I am taking P. If a pair of tangents are drawn from an external point to a circle, so this is the pair of tangents. Pair of tangents, I could say this point is A, this is B. So prove that pair of tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal in length. This is the statement of the theorem. Prove that the pair of tangents to a circle from an external point are equal. This we need to prove that tangents from an external point to a circle are equal in length. So to prove PA equals to PB, we are going to prove PA is equals to PB. This we need to prove. Construction is join OA, OB and OP. Join OA, OB and OP. Now in proof we are moving in triangle OAP. We are moving in triangle OAP and triangle OBP. We are moving in these two triangles. Try to see now when we are moving in these two triangles and we need to prove this and this are equal. So what I could do, anyhow I must make the triangles congruent. अगर triangle congruent हो जाएंगे तो by CPCT ये तो equal हो जाएंगे. तो चलो क्या करते हैं, पहली बात देखते हैं OA equals to OB. OA OB के इक्वल क्यों होगा? Because both are radius. दोनों के दोनों रेडियस है और रेडियस किसी भी एक सर्कल के अंदर कितनी भी रेडियस बना लो सब इक्वल होती है, राइट. नाउ OP equals to OP, it is common. दोनों ट्राइंगल्स में OP है यानी ये कॉमन है. एक और चीज नोटिस करो, अभी अभी हमने पिछले वाली बात में प्रूव किया था, पिछली थ्योरम में प्रूव किया था, रेडियस इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट. रेडियस इज ऑलवेज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट. That is angle OAP is equals to angle OBP 90 degree each. So हमने तीन बातें नोटिस कर ली, ये और ये इक्वल है, बोथ आर रेडियस, दिस इज कॉमन एंड दिस एंगल इज इक्वल्स टू दिस एंगल, बोथ द एंगल्स आर इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. सो बाय RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, that is OP, and one of the side of the triangle. So by RHS, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. Triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP. When triangles are congruent by CPCT, PA will be equals to PB. This only was our target to prove, hence proved. With this वी आर कमिंग टू द कंक्लूजन ऑल्सो। पहले तो ये हमें आ जाना चाहिए, थ्योरम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू ऑल मस्ट बी एबल टू डू दिस। इफ योर पेपर विल बी theoretical, then this theorem will be the part of your board examination. You must be able to solve. After this additional thing, this angle will be equals to this angle by CPCT, as well as this angle will be equals to this angle by CPCT. So आपको ये बात याद रखनी है, pair of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are always equal. किसी भी एक पॉइंट से एक टेंजेंट के ऊपर दो ही टेंजेंट बन सकते, दो से ज्यादा बना ही नहीं सकते, और एक पॉइंट से दो से ज्यादा टेंजेंट नहीं बना सकते, और वो दोनों इक्वल होंगे ही होंगे, ये बात याद रखना। अब इसके ऊपर आप 10.2 एक्सरसाइज में कितने भी क्वेश्चन है, ज्यादातर इसी टॉपिक के ऊपर, सभी क्वेश्चन इसी के ऊपर बेस है, कुछ ना कुछ लेफ्ट राइट करके और आ जाएगा। आपने घर पे ट्राई करना है, अच्छे से कोशिश करो। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस भी करेंगे इसके। ओके, ऑल द